The first thing you need to understand is that a wardrobe is not bought, it is built. You don't just go out to the store or the mall and buy an entire wardrobe. That's absurd. You can't do that. Instead, what I'd recommend is systematically over time, elevate the quality of the items you're buying. If you stick to timeless styles, you're gonna have a much easier time building a capsule wardrobe and something that will transition as you transition as a man. Today, guys, I wanna go over a few items that will instantly help your wardrobe glow up. Number one is a brown pair of leather loafers, right? A nice pair of leather loafers work incredibly well for a guy because you can wear them with jeans, you could also wear them with slacks, you can wear them with a suit, you could also wear them with shorts in order to dress up those shorts. And the reason why I personally think brown is a better option than black is because brown is a much richer color. It also adds interest, depth, and dimension to your wardrobe. The other thing I love about brown is that most guys stick to black. Brown, in my opinion, is a better option. It's also going to make you look better. Number two is a proper watch. Now, one of the reasons why I say this is because there are a lot of young dudes that are wearing like technologically advanced watches, like Apple Watches or whatever. Now, it's not that they're not functional, but one of the quick, easy things that you can do as a man to look better is wear a proper watch. I didn't say expensive, I just said proper. Something that you have to wind or something with a band, something that you love. Because that's the other thing. When you look down at your wrist and you're rocking a watch that you love, it automatically makes you feel better. It's also an incredible conversation piece. Number three is a proper jacket, all right? Whether or not it's a pea coat or some type of driving jacket, guys, these are amazing for upgrading your wardrobe because a lot of younger dudes are wearing like puffer jackets and things that are a little bit more casual. And the other thing that I love so much about these jackets is that you can dress them down, but you can also dress them up. They look amazing when dressed down with a pair of jeans, possibly boots, but you can also dress them up with a pair of slacks or chinos. Number four is a perfect pair of denim. Guys, here's the deal. It's time to upgrade your denim because if you're wearing a pair that's too big, too baggy, or too tight, too slim, too distressed, you're not looking as good as possible. If you upgrade to a pair that's a straight fit or a slim fit, that's not too baggy, not too tight, that's a solid wash, not overly distressed, you're gonna be amazed. Not only is it gonna look amazing, it's also gonna pair perfectly with pretty much like everything because a dark wash pair of denim that fits you flawlessly is the most perfect pant that you own. Next up is a slim wallet. Gentlemen, here's the deal. If you're rocking a big like monster wallet, it's gonna totally like jack up the proportions of your pants. It's not gonna look good. It's also not healthy for you because if you're sitting on that bad boy, it's gonna jack up your hips. Instead, what I recommend is something like this. Something slim, something minimal, right? A card holder or a front pocket wallet because they're perfect, right? You only need a few cards. You don't need all the membership cards and receipts that you've been rocking and carrying around. Look at it, check it, right? Nice and slim. You're not even gonna notice it. All you need is a few cards, a little bit of cash, and you're perfect. But you're not perfect if you're rocking a belt that's all beat up and nasty and looking like hell. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Next thing on the list is your belt. If you're not rocking an Anson belt like the one I am wearing, unfortunately, your belt game is probably whack. Because if you're wearing a standard belt that's got all the holes, it's gonna have holes and notches and cracks and be all scarred. Instead, bang, right there, boom, exactly. Anson belt, check it, right? Look at that, nice and clean. You're like, what is that? Belt voodoo, I don't even understand. Check it out right there. The track system, micro adjustments. That is where the magic happens. Ready? 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 Are you ready? Ready? Listen. Bang, locks it into place. The cool thing is that they're all interchangeable. And what I mean by that is, check it out, ready? Bang, grab a new buckle and then check it out, right? This is the beautiful thing, boom. All you're gonna do, lock it into place and you are ready to rock. Gentlemen, check it out, bang. Look how sexy that is. They have over 30,000 5-star reviews. The reason is because it's not just me that thinks these belts are the best. Everybody agrees that Anson are the best. Insane. Like literally the selection is absolutely insane. They've got leather straps, they've got brown leather, black leather, they've got different colored leathers, and that's the other thing. If you've got a pair of shoes that's kind of like difficult to match, Anson belt has a leather for you. That's one of the frustrating things when you find like a cool pair of like brown shoes and then you can't find the right belt. Gentlemen, Anson's got you covered. They also have a huge selection of canvas straps, which is, in my opinion, a must-have for every dude, right? But they also have some premium belts as well, right? They've got crocodile, but this one I love. It's an Italian calfskin. It's so sexy. And the buckles, literally, guys, they've got a crazy selection of buckles, right? Few of my favorite are the matte black. I also love the shiny silver classic Anson, but they've got gunmetal, they've got gold, they've got ones like this that are a little bit more like standard. It comes and it's like super long, which means it makes an amazing gift because you don't have to worry about sizes. Anyway, you get it, and then all you do is thread it through your belt loops, all right? And then once you're through, all you're gonna do is grab a pair of scissors and cut the Anson belt right there. Boom. Take your buckle, and then all you're gonna do is insert the strap into the buckle, lock it into place, and you are ready to rock. And the price? I didn't even tell you the price, and that's the thing that's so damn insane. For those of you who've been shopping for belts, you know how damn expensive they are. But with Anson, right now, limited time, I got a special link down below this video. You get to build a box set for under $100, which means you get to choose 3 straps, whatever you want. You could go canvas, you could go leather, you could go suede, and then you also get to pick 2 buckles. It's your pick. You get to mix and match, which means you're getting 6 belt combinations for under a freaking $100. But if you're like, yo, maybe I just want 1 belt, no problem. They've got those as well, guys. You can buy whatever you want, but if you go through my link, you're gonna get a discount. Anson belts are the best. Treat yourself to the best. Next up is a perfectly tailored white dress shirt. So here's the deal. You're not gonna wear it all the time, but when you do, I want you to look like a sex machine. And the way you're gonna do that is by wearing tailored clothing. Now, the beautiful thing is that the internet has literally changed the game when it comes to having tailored clothing made for you. In the old days, if you wanted like a tailored shirt, you'd have to go into like a suit place, right? And be like, yes, I'd like a shirt. And they'd measure you and they'd do it. And it would literally cost you like $500. Now, you can literally get a custom tailored shirt for you on the internet for like $40. And there is nothing like slipping on a tailored shirt that makes you feel amazing. You look incredible and it's built for you. We don't have off the rack bodies, which is why you need to have it tailored. You also need to have your suit, which is the next thing, tailored well as well. A tailored suit is one of those things that will automatically make you feel amazing. It'll also make you look not like a little boy, because most dudes, if I'm being honest, wear suits that fit them like literal shit. Like literally, I look at them, I'm like, dude, you look like crap, because it's baggy, it's boxy, it's too big. But by you spending a little bit of time, spending a little bit of money to have that suit properly tailored, it's gonna be the difference between you looking amazing and like literally you're wearing shit. Speaking of looking, the next thing, gentlemen, sunglasses. Upgrade them quickly, because sunglasses are an amazing accessory. But if you're wearing a pair of sunglasses that's like super cheap, or they look cheap, or they're super like funny or youthful or like stunner shade, no, they're not stunning anybody. But if you invest in a solid classic pair like a Wayfarer, an Aviator, or the Clubmaster, you're gonna be amazed. You're gonna look amazing, and the cool thing is that you literally get to wear them like every single day. And sunglasses are one of those things that when you slip on, you automatically look sexier and more mysterious. Next up, sneakers. Guys, one of the things that you can do to instantly look more grown up and amazing is upgrade your sneakers, right? If you're wearing something super casual or super trendy, it's not gonna look as elevated. You're also gonna look a little bit more youthful and immature. But the cool thing about wearing some type of leather minimal sneaker or owning them is that it basically elevates every wardrobe and every casual outfit that you're rocking, right? You throw on a pair of these, instead of wearing something that's a little bit more youthful, it's automatically gonna make you look more mature, and you're gonna look a lot better, and those spicy senoritas are gonna be like, damn, they're sexy shoes. Can I get a little bit of action? Next up is a proper polo, right? Polos are one of those things that if you're wearing the wrong one, you look like a little boy. You look like a dork, right? But you can quickly go from dork to sexy if you actually just wear a polo that's sexy. How is it gonna be sexy? Not a lot of pattern, no stripes, not like a polo shirt, because polos have like floppy whack collars. They also like shrink, they get like super short. Instead, invest in a higher quality polo. In my opinion, white, black, navy, perfect. As a general rule, anything with patterns or like graphics or logos are gonna make you look more youthful. By switching it out for something solid, it's gonna make you look better, it's gonna make you look more aesthetic. All right, it's also gonna make you look more grown up. And the cool thing is that by going with solids as opposed to patterns, it's gonna be more versatile longer. Which brings me to the last thing, and that is pretty much anything you're wearing that is super like trendy, all right? Trendy is fine for like a hot second, but it's a waste of money. Instead, what I'd recommend is go with the classics. Upgrade systematically your wardrobe. Go piece by piece. If you upgrade these items that we talked about today, it literally instantly will glow up any wardrobe.